Today we are going to be installing custom firmware on a 2DS, which is a part of the 3DS family. There's a very helpful guide on 3ds.hacks.guide. You can see on the page we have the getting started down here. Now if the 3DS is not up to date at least 11.14, just go ahead and update it in the settings. So here's a list of the different software that we're going to be needing. You can go ahead and open each of them. Take the SD card from the 2DS. Go ahead and insert it into our computer. Go ahead and copy this file to the root of the SD card and rename it to ARM11 code. Then we'll go ahead and unzip Luma 3DS. We will copy both boot files to the root. Then we will create a folder. We're going to name it boot9 strap. After that, we'll go ahead and unzip the boot9 strap. In here we'll have this .firm file. We'll copy both of these files Next we're going to unzip the safe B9 installer and we'll put the bin folder into the root of the card. Now we'll go ahead and eject the card and insert it back into the 2DS. Go ahead and access the internet browser. And we'll type in the URL that's shown here on the guide. Proceed to hacks. Prompts us to press A. Now to install the firmware, we'll go ahead and press the button sequence that is prompting us on the screen. It's backing up the device. Go ahead and continue. So now we'll go ahead and check show NAND or user string in system settings. And then we'll press the start button to continue. So now we have successfully installed custom firmware on our 2DS.